Aloha, my name is Holly Manaseri. I am an associate specialist and the principal investigator on this project from the University of Hawaii at Manoa. I am a Caucasian woman with shoulder-length auburn hair, and I'm wearing black rimmed glasses and a black blouse.
Aloha, my name is Manca Sustaric, and I'm an evaluation specialist at the University of Hawaii Center on Disability Studies. I'm a white woman with brown shoulder-length hair, and I'm wearing a red blouse.
Aloha, my name is Maria Houar, and I'm a graduate assistant at the Center on Disability Studies at the University of Hawaii at Manoa. I am a brown-skinned woman with short black hair, and I am wearing a green blouse.
The title of our presentation is Sensory Integration in Higher Education, Bridging Research and Practice. The need. In this presentation, we provide an overview of the benefits of sensory integration into post-secondary education campuses, as well as for community spaces. The number of students with autism spectrum disorder attending college has increased, yet their graduation rates lag behind those of typically developing students. Studies show a significant gap. Post-secondary completion rates for students with autism spectrum disorder remain significantly lower at 39% than that of their peers in the general population, 59%, or of that for students with all types of disabilities, 50%, according to Newman and Medeiros, 2015. Students with autism spectrum disorder are reported to struggle with higher rates of loneliness, anxiety, and depression than their peers with other disabilities or without disabilities, according to Jancy and Burns, 2013. One key autism spectrum disorder, according to SERAT, 2018. Purpose. This presentation explores how sensory integration supports autism spectrum disorder students and the broader campus community, reducing overwhelming stimuli and fostering social interaction, according to Pressler, 2023. Our presentation highlights the impact of a relatively low-cost mobile sensory space designed to travel across the University of Hawaii system and other post-secondary campuses that choose to participate in the project. The intentional design prioritizes portability, appeals to a variety of sensory needs such as light, sound, touch, and smell, and remains budget-friendly. The mobile lab kit, containing 13 easy-to-install items, totals approximately $650 to $800 US. A QR code on our poster provides a list of the sensory components. I'm going to turn this over to Manca.
Methods. We shared the feedback gathered from a public pilot of the sensory space experience at the PAC-CREAM 2024 International Conference on Disability and Diversity held in Honolulu, Hawaii. 82 participants completed an online questionnaire with multiple choice and open-ended questions that captured their sensory experiences. We also took observation notes. Results. Our pilot sensory integration results demonstrate high user satisfaction. Notably, 84% of participants were visiting a sensory room for the very first time. 83% were unaware of sensory integration existing on their campus or workplace, and 94% would recommend the experience to others. As depicted in the chart, light emerged as the most preferred sensory element at 44%, followed by touch at 37%, color 13%, and sound 6%. Overall, participants found the room's atmosphere relaxing and calming, with one participant commenting, quote, "The low light, the quiet, and the freedom to interact in whatever way is comfortable were all excellent," end of quote. I'm turning it on to Maria.
Discussion. Our sensory integration project exemplifies the power of community-embedded experiential research, empowering neurodiverse students. The mobile sensory room can support neurodiverse students, including those with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, autism spectrum disorder, or sensory processing disorder. The room can foster self-regulation of sensory input and emotional de-escalation, leading to improved academic performance. It can also function as a versatile space for hosting social events that center neurodiverse students and students with disabilities, or providing sensory breaks on campuses, according to Sustaric 2018. Bridging research and practice. We have had many successes in translating our research to impact the community. One of them includes developing an infographic that clearly communicates the benefits of sensory integration. This tool raises awareness and aids recruitment efforts at campus sites. This summer, we are providing our mobile sensory space kit to 2 campuses as part of our professional development training on inclusive practices for post-secondary education, where we will continue to collect data to contribute to the significant need for more research on post-secondary education experiences of neurodiverse students, including those with autism spectrum disorder, towards a more inclusive future. Ultimately, this initiative holds the potential to enhance disability justice on college campuses and the wider community. By promoting inclusion, we can create a more welcoming and supportive environment for all students, influencing policy and practice, as well as highlighting the often overlooked area of training needs on inclusive practices for faculty, staff, and administrators. Some of the challenges we may encounter include finding an appropriate space, an improper and ineffective use of sensory items, as well as the full integration of the space into the campus as an extension of student services. Mahalo and thank you.